If you manage accounts receivable, welcome to the war. Month end hits and your dashboard lights up with overdue invoices. Your team starts dialing, they start emailing, they start chasing, but the numbers don't move. Every day that passes, the same question echoes in your head. It's not working because in-house collections almost never work, and I'm going to explain exactly why. Most internal AR teams aren't trained collectors. They don't have the experience. They're accountants, they're bookkeepers, they're clerical personnel. They don't know how to persuade people. They're completely unequipped to deal with what collections actually requires: persuasion, compliance, and consequence. They send a few reminders, maybe a call or two, but they stop the moment it gets uncomfortable. Employees are not built for confrontation, and sometimes that's what it requires. And that hesitation by your employees, that's costing your company month after month. The reasons it doesn't work: number one, there's no leverage. When your employee calls one of your customers, they know that they don't have to be afraid of your employee, that this is just the waiting game. They're going to buy time. They're going to pay you when they're ready, when it's convenient for your customer to pay you, because your employee has no leverage. Two, emotional fatigue. Chasing payments burns people out. After 6 months, your AR staff either quit, tune out, or start avoiding the calls entirely. And now you're paying a salary for stress, not results. Reputation risk is another big issue. Internal teams are terrified of being too aggressive. They don't want to ruin your company's name. They're good employees. They don't want to be ugly. They don't want to be confrontational. Therefore, they under communicate and the unpaid invoices pile up. But it doesn't have to stay that way, and Zindo can do something about it. There is a solution. It's scalable, it's professional, and it's going to treat your customers with dignity and respect. And your customer's going to know that you have a professional system in place to make sure that you get paid on time every time.